and welcome to Quassi's Bell Tower with your host, Quassi. And today we're going to open up our November RPG crate. So first is our t-shirt, which is quite different because it's brown. It's not black. It's not one of the normal colors. Looks like we got a dwarf here in some battle armor and fighting a bunch of vultures, it looks like. It's pretty cool. Kind of like it. So let's open up this crate and see what else is in it. Well, first we have our card for the month. This is the Season 3, Crate 28. It is Terror-Torn. That is the card, and we'll get back to it when we're all done. Next, we will go with our Efiin miniatures. Efiin Cool miniature, sorry. And this one is actually a statue or a... I guess it would just be a statue, I guess. But it's kind of disappointing because it's not a figure and it's not a monster, but I'm assuming it goes to the theme of this whole thing, because that's usually how they work. So next we have our recipe cards, and this is the Dungeon Bites, Bits, and Other Things. Blackened Saragon, I think that's pronounced. I'm not sure, I'm probably wrong, but that's that on the front, and then your little adventure on the back. Next we have Dungeon Bites, Bits, and Other Things, Fried Bat Wings. And that's that. And then our map on the back. And then we have from RPG Pins and Patches, a glutinous cube, which I'll show you guys a close-up of this if it doesn't look good on here. But I've got a couple pins here and there, but I think I'm definitely going to keep this one. So next we have our adventures. Our adventures, all three of them, these are the ancient legends. We have the village in the sky. And then there's the back. We have monstrous depths. That's it, nothing too fancy on that one. The map's right in the front. Then we have setting sun, which the map's in the front. And then what's in the back. And for the last item in this box is 5th edition fantasy number 4 level 5 adventure modular Warlock. Goodman Games, done by Michael Curtis. I wonder if he's related. I doubt it. But anyways, we have 48 pages total. Looks like it's all in black and white. See if we find anything else nifty. Any more artwork? A little more. Not much. But it's not really the artwork we're looking for. It's how well this adventure plays. I'm not sure how many quests are in this. I did not look. Some more. Some maps. Nothing too special, but I think it's only one big quest, it looks like. Yeah, I think so. Just one big quest. So I can't wait to look into that one, if I ever get this far in my missions. Right now, I am starting this with one of my nephews and my wife. We're starting from the beginning. And I'm actually playing now with my nephews and teaching them how to play Dungeons and Dragons. The only thing I noticed with the boys is they're a lot younger, and you got to keep their attention. So you got to kind of cut out a lot of the storyline and just keep them interested, or they'll just wander off or play on their phones, one or the other. But anyways, guys, I don't even know if I'm going to put that in there, but the book's really nice. I like that. The pin, I like that. I'm not a pin guy. I'm not one of these guys that likes to wear them all over, but it's a glutinous cube, so I'm probably going to keep that one. Not giving that away. We got our recipe cards. We got our figure. And we got our adventures. It's not a bad one at all. I'm a little disappointed with the figure, you know, because it's not a monster or anything else. But I'm sure it goes with the whole theme of this. So that's it. That's everything that was in there. So, honestly, guys, I like the shirt because it's a different color, and, you know, if I wear it, it ain't that bad. It's not a bad shirt. I definitely like the color. I don't mind brown, so that's okay. The figure was kind of disappointing. The missions, or the quests, I'm sure they're going to be fine. The book, I'm sure that will be just as fine, too. Is it worth $40? Maybe not. Maybe so. Who knows? Let's see. The book on its own would be $10. $10 book. I don't know. I don't know, guys. Everything in here is really good. I would probably I'm going to give this one a C+. So that's it, guys. Until next time. And remember to ring that like button like a hunchback. Till next time.